Namaskaram to all of you. I am Tanvi Gupta Bajoria. I'm an Isha yoga practitioner and a YouTuber. So it's been now a long that I've been posting a lot of videos on YouTube, just raising my opinion and my voice. And today, as you all know, that I'm making yogic diet series on my channel where I tell people, exactly how we should eat and what we should eat, everything about diet and how it is beneficial to our system. So today I wanted to tell you why diet series. First and foremost thing which Sadhguru always says is that food is not a commodity. It's a life-giving material. Your entire body is made from the food you have eaten. Because when you were born, you were hardly 3 to 5 kgs, right? Now you're 50 kgs or you're 100 kgs. It is, you have grown up with the food you have eaten so far in your life. So you've grown up because of the food. So food is not a commodity. It's a life-giving material. It gives us life. Without food, we can't live. So this yogic diet series, the selection of the right food is a complete science in itself. What to eat, when to eat, how much to eat, what not to eat. So this is a complete science in itself. That is why yogic diet series. The way yoga is important in our lives, equivalently diet is also very, very important. Because diet, whatever you eat, it directly affects your thoughts, your emotions and your mind and the way you process and channelize the thoughts into your system. It is directly connected. Food is very, very important commodity of life. Many people have been asking me this question, like I posted the first video, is like not to eat brinjals, because Sadhguru always says that we should be eating brinjal. One is it is a negative pranic food, and second is, it has a certain enzyme which directly affects our brain. So it will make us a very dull person in nature if we eat brinjal on a regular basis, or occasionally also. It will make you very dull. So a lot of people have been coming to my channel and they are saying, we have been grown up eating brinjal. What has happened to us? I wanted to tell all of you, even if you will eat garbage, nothing will happen to any one of you. No matter whatever you dump into the system, nothing will happen to you. You can survive even eating garbage as well. But if you need a healthy life, if you need, proper, that your mind is not full of mental diarrhea all the time, it is, balanced, your thoughts are balanced, your body is channelized and your body is functioning extremely well, diet is very, very, very important in life. So that is why yogic diet series. It is not like you're munching the entire day and whatever is coming in front of you, you're just engulfing it. It doesn't work like this. Your entire system is made up from the diet you have eaten. I wanted to tell especially to all of you that, diet is not a commodity. It is a life-giving material. So friends, all I want to say is please choose your diet wisely. Whenever the food comes in front of you, food itself will tell you whether that's good for your health or that's not good for your health. And let your body decide whether this food you should eat or you shouldn't eat. If you notice your body enough, you will realize these things. That it is very much there when you see food. So food will tell you whether you want to eat or you don't want to eat it. So diet is very, very important. Eating just anything or everything will not help you. Never, never. If you have any questions, any doubts related to diet or whatever I've said right now, please feel free to comment below and feel free to reach out to me. I would love to answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching me. Cheers. Have a great day.